MP ka Shillong seat uba Vincent H pala habatak ranting halor ka jikan tho Dr Mukul Sangma ulapan pau umdai ubriu batat dor uban mi no na party congress panyakun MP election no na kiwei party kajingkan tho Dr Mukul Sangma kalong uba Vincent H pala ula panyakun ya ka election MP na kaseng NPP barhabat halanya kani uba pala loong bagidon bun ki seng san partai ki blakot yu panyakun na ki seng baper henry ukentat mardor na marbo unyakun baj na kaseng congress.
I don't think that I don't want to talk about Mukul, but many people try to convince me, many people try to woo me, many people try to do me. I'm not very cheap actually. I started as a simple layman. I cannot be just carried away by a party. I'll remain with the Congress, always remain with the Congress. Only provided that the Congress will throw me out, that's the but I'll not do. There's no question of me contesting. There's no doubt many of my friends, party workers from other, they used to tell me, why don't you contest from this party, BJP? I've got lots of MP friends, come to BJP, come to NPP, but it's not that. I'm not so cheap, number one. Number two is that, I always remain a simple man. I don't mind whether I lose or I win the election, but I should not surrender my rights. I should not always surrender my values. I should not surrender whatever that intention with the Congress has given me. No question from the NPP, no question from any party. I'll be with the Congress, contest from the Congress, and all of you should support me. I should win back.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, naka Swagat Hospital, Guwahati, undon hanong ba Shillong, haka arba South Regujiliw, 8,000 arpulay, na duwa kapor Kyrwoh baje Minstep, Woodland Hospital. Undon ru haka si sadjan kabasaw, man lau banay. Kino gibran jing pangklong snam, kila banwan ni silok yu. Call how number, kandai not, pra kandai, not kandai, nyo kandai, not nyo.